This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by confirming the radio is actually locked. The display will read code 0000 or a blank screen after a battery change. The 2008 Honda Accord radio uses a 5-digit code stored to the head unit. It will not operate until you enter the correct digits. Repeated incorrect attempts can force temporary lockouts or delays between tries, so do not guess. Instead, plan to retrieve the factory code using the radio serial number or contact Honda. This prevents unnecessary wait times or permanent service charges. To retrieve the radio serial, turn the ignition to ACC with the radio off and press, and hold preset buttons 1 and 6 simultaneously. The unit will display a 10-character serial on the radio face. Carefully copy every letter and digit. The serial is required to get the 5-digit unlock code from Honda or an authorized dealer. If the display method fails or buttons are damaged, remove the radio assembly to read the serial printed on the metal chassis or barcode label. Photograph it for accuracy before calling for the code. With the radio serial in hand, contact Honda customer service or your local dealer and provide the 10-character serial to obtain the factory 5-digit unlock code. Some dealers charge around $5 for retrieval. To enter the code, turn the radio on, use the numbered presets to input each digit exactly, then press the AM/FM or seek button as instructed to confirm. If the radio still rejects the code, recheck the serial you provided. Ensure car battery voltage is stable, and wait out any lockout timer before retrying to avoid extended disablement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.